Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos, and I welcome all of you to Mac Forex YouTube channel. As you know, which people are my channel subscribers, now I have started to give you the weekly forecast about the gold. So today we will discuss in this video about the gold weekly forecast. I will discuss with you the what is the expected price end of this week. Today the date is 10th October, Sunday, and we will discuss about the forecast till Friday. Okay, so first of all, before starting the topic, before starting the video, I request you subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further best videos for discussion, because I always try my best to bring for you the best forex trading strategies, forex trading indicators, and best trading tips. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so you can see here, after the non-farm payroll data last Friday, 8th October, last Friday, gold, you can see here the break this support level once and touch this level, this support level. Okay, but if you see the long term like a trend, you can see here market have changed the bearish trend into bullish trend. You can see here, if we check the previous history, you can see at this point like from 10th August to 6th September, market was in bullish trend, and from this area market changed the trend like a bullish to bearish. You can see here at this point from 7th September to 5 August, like a 1 month market was in bullish trend, and again 1 month market was in bearish trend. And now, as per my prediction, as per my study, you can see here now market again have changed the trend line. Here you can see here the broke. I will show you the again. This you can call the technical analysis also. You can see at this point market is now going up, and as per my prediction, end of this week the gold price is expected like 1800 to 6 to 1830, because now the gold is changing the trend line from bearish trend to bullish trend. Okay, so one more strategy I checked. You can see here same scenario. You can see from 9 August to almost 8 or 9 August to 8 September, market was in bullish trend. You can see, and from 7 to 8 September to, actually this is the exact, sorry, I will draw the line again for you. You can see. Okay, so from 8 September to 7th October, like a 30 September, market was at there, and now at this point market has changed the trend. Okay, so you can see, so the price is expected end of this week till Friday. If price break this level 1796, then the next level of price is this. Okay, 1830. Okay, and if price market can go down also, but the 80 to 90% prediction is market will go up. So you can see now the price is 1758. Okay, so if price again break this, then market can go more down. I will show you in this way. Okay, but as per my prediction, market will go up in this way. Okay, so you can decide as per your capital, as per your leverage or capital, you can decide. If you want to do long-term trade, you can buy from this area and hold the trade till next 3 or 4 days. Okay, but if you have a low balance, then you can make scalping. I will give you the scalping idea also. This one I'm showing you in H4. You can see H4. Okay, but if you want scalping, your fund is too low, or you want like a daily basis profit, then you select the chart of 30 minutes or 1 hour, like a 30 minutes. You can see here in 30 minutes you can buy at this area. Stop loss you can set at this point 1745, and take profit you can set at this point for scalping. Okay, and again you can sell here. You can set the stop loss at above point. Okay, the second analysis I will show you. If you want the scalping, you can buy at this area like a 7056. You can see here the strong recommendation of the buying position also shown at the chart. Okay, you can buy here. You can set the stop loss at the below at this 1742, like the same. You can see here was also the same 7047 or 7045. You can set the stop loss, and with this analysis also same. You can set the stop loss and take profit. You can set here, and again you can make sell at this point. Okay, at this point you can make sell. You can set stop loss at from this area also, but if you want to play like a safe mode, then you can set stop loss at this area if you are selling at this point. Okay, so very easily you can judge. Trading is very easy if you play with proper technical analysis. If you trade with proper risk management, money management, you can earn good money in forex trading. Okay, so I hope you understand about the weekly and the short-term trading, my prediction. So thank you so much. If you want any kind of question, you can send me SMS on my mobile also, because I have given my WhatsApp number in every video description. And soon I am coming online also, like a weekly basis. First and when community at my YouTube channel will more, then I will try my best to come daily basis also for discussion about the tradings. Okay, so thank you so much. Goodbye.